Can't just drive like a madman on these streets. What's going on, Norgate? So today we are actually at the collection. Jeez, bro.
That's Rick's parts now.
Oh yeah, get that. Ooh. Ooh. He's so strong. Big strong man. Why are you so good with nuts?
I try to make my living playing with nuts. My butt is so sore.
Bro, from what? What?
From the gym.
Dude, this video went from like rated G to X like in 30 seconds, bro. Okay, hold on. Wait. Pause. You might be asking, Nor, what the hell is going on? I'll tell you. Well, we actually were recording this video and I was having some audio issues, but will that stop me from uploading? Of course, it almost did. What's a video without any context? I'll give it to you. Shayan, this guy, this beautiful guy right here with the big nose. Yes, him and his long beard. He decided to ride around town on the highway, I think on I-95, doesn't matter. He decided to drive around town with a loose exhaust. What ended up happening? Well, what do you think would happen? It went flying, and since it got astronomical, it went 5 feet into the air, probably hit some poor mom and her children and a minivan behind him. He had to drive around town with no exhaust and inhaling fumes, pretty much getting high while driving. This is a video talking about him and changing his exhaust from what he had to the brand new Greddy exhaust. I don't remember the exact name of the exhaust that he got. I'll put a picture here somewhere. This is a video of Shayan installing his exhaust and hopefully not repeating the process. Because I was going through some audio issues, you're gonna hear a little bit of clicking in some of the video, and I apologize about that. But as you can see, we're all good now, so just enjoy the video. If you haven't already, hit like, give me that thumbs up because it helps, and it's just subscribe, you know, because Shayan has a huge nose. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Yeah.
If you're, and hear me out, I might be wrong. There might be instructions that came with the exhaust. I know, crazy.
I did see some paper at my house when I grabbed the box and opened it.
You don't even have it here.
Why would I make life easy? Did I use instructions for that? Honestly, doesn't really matter. Send it.
Well, I guess this will be the next exhaust coming off on I-95. Why do you think your last one came off?
I guess. I didn't.
What? You did what?
Nothing.
What? You got this? You need help? You need help putting it in?
Not yet.
Oh.
I advise you to have someone help you do this stuff.
See, look, you're using your noggin.
Using your head.
There we go, using your head. I'm proud of you, bro. No. Let's do this. You just didn't want me to put my dirty fingerprints on it.
That's why I'm wearing gloves.
I never wear rubber, baby. Forget to tighten it, and it's gonna be the next one on the interstate.
That was on for over.
All right, so. Whoa, dang, bro. Be careful with your long pipe, dude. Almost got me in the face.
That's okay.
You want me to hold it over there? You got it? Aren't you excited with your brand new shiny exhaust?
No.
What? Are you ready for this?
You want to hold this segment? Sorry.
Stop making people hold your nuts, bro. So hopefully you're saying it clears the dip.
Hold it forward. On the top two out of them. It looks like it clears.
Dude. Oh.
Hold on, it's because I have to.
Oh, okay. I was like, bro, it looks like it's gonna rattle though.
Nah.
You sure? It's pretty close. I guess to make it easier, it might be better to put this part on first, then the Y pipe or X pipe, whatever this is.
We can just figure this out as we go.
Yeah. Nothing like some Hialeah performance, you know?
Oh, this is not Hialeah, right? This is only the finest quality. Sweet.
You did it, bro.
Right, thank you.
And you cleared the dip?
Oh, yeah. I might have to adjust a little.
Yeah, it's gonna rattle.
It depends on how it torques. Hold on. No. No.
Oh, yeah, that's gonna rattle.
It's gonna cut it.
And Hialeah performance.
You have to. It's got no choice now. Well, let's get on the other side at least.
Don't show the tips yet, bro. Don't show the tips. That's gonna be last. Oh, I didn't even know these have serial numbers.
Oh, yeah.
Dang, that's fancy, dude.
Be aware that it's not gonna work perfectly.
Yeah, just
it's gonna end up there eventually.
Yeah, put it where it belongs anyway. He actually has to grind down the diff cover.
I think I'm gonna come out about right, take one nub off there, and then kind of move down and kind of level these two off. Just bought a diff cover with cooling fins to cut all the cooling fins.
Bruh. Nice.
Thanks, Yuan.
You're almost there. Nice.
Oh, come on.
Hit it with the ooh, so strong. So strong.
It's not there yet.
Bruh.
Ah, let's see if it works.
Okay, well, I mean, you know. I don't understand why you would buy a diff cover just to cut it because of the cooling fins, but then get rid of the cooling fins.
I don't know. It has a bigger capacity too. Cheerio, mate.
That was the worst Aussie impression ever. All right, buddy, you're good. You're good. You are really good at handling these nuts. Really good. Can we finally get a cold start?
Yeah, but gotta just...
No, but leave these on though.
No.
Leave them on.
Why?
Bro, come on. No. Right? See?
Yes.
Wait, everybody wants to hear how it sounds.
Wait, that?
That's more back pressure for your turbo.
Well, let me just tighten this one here with hand tools.
So finally, we're gonna get this started. Can we do that? Can we really poke a hole in it and then just start it? It'll probably sound really good.
I don't want it to melt on there, that's the thing.
It won't melt.
It's already off. Oh,
wow. Dude, you're such a party pooper. We have that one.
Oh, wow.
Are you gonna wipe down the exhaust so you don't get fingerprint marks on it?
What do you think? Pretty center, no?
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm just saying it looks better with that on, but you're being a party pooper right now.
Way to poop on my party.
This is the only time you use protection. Cold start. Cold start.
It's not cold, but it's a start.
It's that. Well, whatever. But it sounds really good.
It sounds toned. We'll let it warm up and then we'll rev it because I put oil in there. I got to start leveling it out also.
Sounds pretty good. I like it a lot. I actually like it a lot.
It's not bad.
It sounds really good.
And it looks pretty good.
It looks like you have motor dyne exhaust now.
We all can't afford that.
We could film
what we're filming.
What we are filming. I mean, I guess your car's kind of like a Ferrari.
No, not at all.
Yeah. What do you mean?
It's always broken, maybe. That's about it.
Wow, damn. Okay. I like the Z1 oil pan plug that you got.
That's nice, right?
Yeah, with the little dinosaur, it means your oil's ferocious.
It is. You should see my engine oil.
Oh, Lord. Oh, sparkly?
Nice and shiny. It's all right. That means that it shine bright like a diamond.
Oh, God. Goodbye. The look of the dual, because I feel like everybody does single exit exhaust now, so it's kind of nice to see a dual exit again.
People, at least this is what I've seen in the community, they complain that the dual is not a 3-inch exhaust back and they kind of get butthurt because the singles are 3-inch back. But the Greddy one, they're both 3-inch all the way back, and it has an X pipe to get that mid-range torque. I'm not speaking from anything, I don't have any dyno to prove my point, but I put it on, let's see what it does. Let's go for a little joyride around the shop.
Okay, alright. We're literally just gonna drive around the shop in circles?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just
that's a first. That's pretty cool. Let's do it.
Bro,
what the hell is this? Mixed nuts? Oh my god. Are you like living in your car, bro? What are you doing? I'm taking one of your gums.
Okay.
How long has this been in here?
A while.
Oh god.
Dude, it feels so smooth. Wow. Dude, that made a big difference.
Bro, you're like in love right now. We're literally in a shop just driving in circles.
Wow, it's so quiet.
I like this exhaust a lot though. You want to shoot flames on these peasants?
No. I'm not shooting flames on this exhaust.
Ever?
Maybe sometimes.
I'm like, yo, you're crazy. You're such a liar.
Huh?
I'm such a good friend. Can we skip your car and just like... I mean, your car's nice too. Do you leave Do you leave this here so you can show people that you go hard?
No, it's just in case, you know, it's just a number.
That's how much horsepower you have.
It's 2,000.
It's 2,028 horsepower. video. You're such a dick, dude.
Hello.
So you're gonna shoot some big fat doinks? Shoot the flames, bro, right in front of them. I believe in you.
There's too many cops in Merritt Park.
Okay. Just at least give me a warning. All right, well, let's get in my bucket now that makes absolutely no noise. It's not even fair. My car is such a bucket. It doesn't make any noise. It looks terrible. Like, man, I need to step up this game already with the VR30 swap. Beat up with Shayan so that way he can actually get some gas, because of course he's on E85. Rabbit! You can't just drive like a madman on these streets.
Oh, did it fall off already?
Yeah, there goes another one. Must be nice to have an exhaust. Dude, Shayan's so crazy. Wait, we gotta do it slower than that. You ready? And I'll add some like super cute song. Are you ready? Bye, Shayan. You be safe, bro. Enjoy your exhaust. Thank you guys for watching. And what do you guys think, in your opinion? Is this the best sounding exhaust? Because I'm not gonna lie, I really like how this one sounds. You think we can make him shoot flames in the gas station and make this place blow up? Shoot flames in the gas station.
Hell no.
Make it blow up, bro. No? All right, bro.
I'm gonna let it break in for a while.
No balls, bro. No balls. Real man would have blew up the gas station. Let me know what you guys think, because I know the Tomei sounds really good, but it's super loud all the time. And this is actually like really quiet at idle, but once you're getting on it, it sounds really good. But please, if you guys haven't already, go ahead, move a little bit to the left, right there, click like. If you haven't already, subscribe. And as always, wait, Shayan, wait. You gotta do the give me a kiss thing.